Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we are going to be upgrading Fedora. So as you can see, this is a brand new version of Fedora 27, and it's not the latest version. We want to get the version 28, which as of recording this video, this is the Fedora 28 is the latest version. You may watch this in Fedora 29 or 30 or 31 comes out. But as of now, that's what we're dealing with. So the easiest way to upgrade is to click on the software button here. Click the Let's Go Shopping if you've never used it before. I really only downloaded Fedora 27 to upgrade to 28. But so now that GNOME software is done loading and everything, we can click on the Updates tab here and click the Download button. This is going to allow us to directly upgrade to Fedora 28. When the upgrade is ready, you can go ahead and click the Install button, enter your password, and click Restart and Install. It's going to reboot and it will start installing Fedora 28. So I should say I'm not going to do the entire thing here. I'm not going to record every bit of the download because it's going to take a while. But the way the upgrade works is it downloads all the stuff that it needs ahead of time and it installs it much like any other operating system, but it'll keep your files intact, so you don't got to worry about that. So anyways, guys, this is just a video about how to upgrade Fedora to the latest version. Please check the link in the description if you do not use the GNOME version and you'd like more information on it. But yes, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope you can now upgrade to the latest version of Fedora if you weren't sure how to do that before. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.